May pang-business po, kaso ang hirap po mag-isip ng business. Hi, Miss L. Thank you for your question. So, para sa mga pa-30s na nagugulumihanan, ano ba yung negosyo fit sa kanila para sa iyo to? You need to learn sales. Well, Miss L, napakaraming industry na pwede kang pasukin ngayon. From food, to reorder, to retail, to real estate, to e-commerce, napakadami. But for you to sell those services or products, you have to be good at one thing. And that is sales. I remember 10 years ago, nag-search ako sa internet ng mga parang advices ng mga bilyonaryo. And then I came across with this billionaire. Ang name niya is Li Ka-shing. So isa siyang Hong Kong billionaire. You can also search him sa Google. One advice na sinabi niya is you need to learn sales. So for the first 5 years ng buhay mo, learn something na may transaction between tao sa tao. So, pasukin mo yan. Why? Because the basic fundamentals of business is sales. In short, kailangan mong matutunan paano ibenta sarili mo. Kailangan mong matutunan paano ibenta yung sarili mo. Kasi remember, kahit anong produkto or services ang hawak mo, pero pag hindi ka nila gusto at they don't trust you, then they will not buy from you. Well, doon na rin papasok how you will build relationships and network with people who are smarter and richer than you. Paano ka nila pagkakatiwalaan? Para sila makikipag-deal sa'yo kung hindi ka nila gusto, right? I promise you, Miss L, pag natutunan mo to, wala akong bibigay kasi sa inyong advice na hindi ko kasi sinimulan or trinay. Nung nabasa ko tong advice ito sa internet 10 years ago, then in-apply ko siya, then actually effective siya. Kasi if you learn sales, then you will learn about marketing, then marketing, advertising, then branding. So lahat din magkakamag-anak. But again, ang pinaka-fundamental niyan lahat, or fundamentals ng business is nasa sales. So, kailangan mo siyang i-master. And I promise you, Miss L, kahit anong industry ang pasukin mo, then you will excel at it because you know the basics. Parang sa basketball, hindi ka matututunan ng advance kung hindi mo alam yung basics. Well, hopefully, Miss L, nakatulong ako sa'yo. Nakita ko sa wall mo, nag-affiliate marketing ka sa TikTok. Then, good for you, tuloy-tuloy mo yan. At i-apply mo to. And I promise you, malaking impact yung mangyayari sa'yo long term. Lalo na pag in-apply mo to, kung saang mang negosyo yung papasukin mo. Because once you get good at this, then opportunities will come for you.